Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In the previous video, I showed you how to design this stacking card effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to add this to your Blogger website. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have logged into my Blogger account and let's go ahead and add this to a new page. So let's go to pages and let's create a new page and I'll just call it our design process. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have set this into HTML view. So click on this button and if it is in the compose view, just click on the HTML view button. And now you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So let's go to our source code and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So first of all, let's go ahead and add the CSS. So I'll just create a style tag over here and let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the style.css file and let's copy this CSS from here. Now we're going to add just this stack section division from here. And before that we have an intro over here. So we have this intro and also the outro at the end. So we are not going to add the intro and the outro. We'll just add the stack card section. This is the intro and this is the stack card section. So let's go ahead and copy everything from here. So we have the eyebrow. This is the eyebrow. So let's copy it from here and let's go till the end. And let's go ahead and add it inside the style tag. So here we also have this h1. So we don't need the h1 because the h1 is for the intro. So let's remove the h1 from here. Now here we have the h2. Now the h2 is only for this section. So we can go ahead and combine the h2 styling into this stack heading h2. So let's go ahead and copy these styles from here. And let's add it right here. And let's remove this h2 selector from here. And this is the intro. So let's remove the intro CSS. And I think that's basically it. We'll also add the font. So the font is this font called Inter. So I'll just copy this. And let's add it inside the stack section. So this is the main section where we have the content. So let's add the font to this stack section. And let's scroll down. Let's see whether we have any other unwanted CSS. And here we have the intro and outro. So let's delete these. And I think that's basically it with the CSS. So let's go ahead and add the HTML. Let's go back to our source code and let's copy this stack section from here. And let's paste it over here. Now here you can go ahead and change the content of this to whatever you want. And then we have the image over here. So for the image, we are using the image inside our images folder. But in the Blogger website, we don't have the images folder. So what we need to do is we need to upload the image over here and get the URL and paste it right here. So let's go ahead and add the image right here. So I'll just click on insert image and click on upload from computer. And let's click on browse. And these are the images. So I'll just select all of these and click on open. And here I'll just select original size and let's click on OK. And here we can see all the images are displayed over here. So we have these divs and in that we have the anchor tag. So in the anchor tag we have the href. So this is the URL of the image. So I'll just go ahead and copy this. This is the card1 image. So let's copy this and paste it for card1. So here instead of this source, I'll just paste the link of the image. Let's go ahead and get the link of the second image. This is the second image. So I'll just copy this and let's paste it right here for the second one. Let's do the same for the third image. So here we have the third image. So I'll just copy this and let's go ahead and paste it right here inside the third image source. And then we have the last image. So let's get the link. So this is the link of the last image. So I'll just go ahead and copy this. And let's go ahead and paste it right here for the last one. So with that we have added all the images. So now let's go ahead and delete these images that we uploaded over here. So we have already gotten the links. So now we can delete this. Now we also have some JavaScript. So let's go to our source code and let's go to the main.js file. Let's copy this JavaScript from here and let's paste it right here. So I'll just create a script tag and let's paste the JavaScript over here. So with that, we have added all our code. So let's go ahead and click on publish and let's see how it looks. So this is our design process page. Let's click on view and this is how it looks. So here we can see we have our content, and if you scroll down, we have the stack card effect working all right. Now we need to make some changes to the CSS to make it look good in this Blogger theme. So right now we are using this theme called Contempo. So if you go over here to theme, this is the Contempo Light theme. So we need to make some changes to our CSS based on the structure of our theme. First of all, let's go ahead and change the color of the text. So here, let's go to our page, and for the stack section, let's type color. Let's set the color of all the text to 151515. And the next thing we need to do is we need to change the font size of these headings. So let's do that. Let's also change the font size of this H2. I'll just change this to 76. Let's scroll down and let's go to the heading of the card. So here we can see we have the card content S3. I'll just go ahead and change the font size to 36 pixels and let's update this. Let's go back to our website and reload, and this is how it looks. We can see that the color has changed and the color of this heading has not changed. So let's go back, and here for the S3, let's go ahead and change the color to 151515 and update. Let's go ahead and reload this page. Now we can see that we have the correct color, and there's a lot of space at the top. So let's remove the top margin from here for this heading 3. So here for this S3, let's go ahead and type margin top 0. Let's save this and reload. And I think that's basically it with the stack card effect. So we can see that everything is looking all right. And we also have the scaling that we added using the JavaScript working. So I have explained all of this code in detail in the previous videos. I will leave the link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and customize this to whatever you want. Let's also take a look at the mobile version. Now for the mobile version, we have removed the stacking effect. So this is how it looks. So everything is looking all right. So that's basically how you can add the stacking card effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste the code to your websites. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.